My dear friends, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa and I have few of the items over here which I have purchased from IKEA. These all are basically baby essentials items. When your baby is around 6 months to 1 year old, you definitely need some of the items to feed your baby. So my baby is almost around 6 months right now, and we have purchased a few of the items which I will show you. First of all, this is basically spoon, friends, and we need this. The name of the product is called as BÖRJA, so BORJA, BÖRJA. And there are two types of spoon over here. One will be having some more amount of content inside it, which can accommodate, and this is about a long spoon which we can directly feed into the baby's mouth. And the price of the item is around 139 rupees, the MRP, but I got it from around 99 rupees. If I have some of the purchase link, I'll definitely put that in the description section. You can see and purchase it. You know about IKEA, which basically provides the best item or best quality products in the market. So let me quickly open it and show you how the quality is. Basically, yeah, these are all some extra things. Yeah, so this is one spoon. This having a long spoon, and the design is also good, and hopefully the content inside it which will come will also be good. I do have some milk over here, we can see, taking into that particular into account. So let me take some milk. See this one, I hope, and this is really designed in such a way that it can hold lot of content as well. This is for one type of item, and this is the second one, which basically a long one. This can also hold some of the good amount of content in it. So let me put that aside. This is one, this is done. The second item is basically a set of six glasses. This is very cheap actually. This is called as Kalas, KALAS, and I don't think this is available offline, because you just need, this is available online. This is only available whenever you visit the store, and this quality is really good. In 99, this price of this 6 glasses are 99 rupees. These glasses we may need because we may need to feed the baby with some of the semi-solid items, maybe, yeah, whenever, or even it is helpful whenever we are trying to feed the water as well, just as it will help as a container. And the colors are also awesome. If you can see this, different types of colors available, yeah, good colors. So we loved it, so we purchased it. So definitely it will be helpful for you guys as well. And the third and most important thing is the essentials for feeding the baby. Okay, let me show you this. The name of the product is called as MATA, M-A-T-A, MATA, and the price MRP is shown over here is 656 rupees. 656 rupees, but we got it for around 149 rupees. It is almost around $2.5 maybe, yeah, around $2.5. so yeah, let me open it and show you. And this is for approx $1.5, and this is 99 rupees, around $1.5. okay, yeah, so this is $2.5. let me open it and show you the content inside it. Okay, this is very soft. So it has 4 pieces of eating sets, basically for whatever required for your baby to feed, get it. I mean, we can purchase it whenever the baby reaches 6 months of old. Okay, because he needs to start feeding, or we need to start feeding the baby at the age of 6 months. So there are few items which I got. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all 4 items. So this is a spoon. This is basically a spoon that we got it similar to this, yeah, similar to this one, yeah. So this can contain very less amount of content in it, so we decided to go ahead and get another different type of spoon for it. And this is basically a container set. So it is basically a big container set, and this is this we can basically use it on the baby's neck, so that the food will not get spoiled on his or her dress. It will be accommodated. It will be accumulated here itself. and then they can directly get from it as well, and they can have it. And the last one is for the for drinking. Maybe we can put some milk, or we can put some liquid, or whatever you want. We can put it. You can seal this one. This is a tight one actually. It is very good, and even it has some type of legs in it, so it will not easily get bent, or it will not easily get twisted. So and we have on top, it is basically having some three holes in it, so baby can suck it and get the liquid inside it into her mouth. Yeah, this is very helpful, guys. So the 4 items costs you around 150 rupees. It is around $2.5, not even 2.5, 2.1 or $2.2. Yeah, I hope this contents are helpful, because the quality is good, guys. Whenever you are trying to purchase it online, do check for IKEA products, because the quality you will definitely love, and they will not compromise on the quality. They will definitely give you the best quality for the price that you pay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, definitely press the like button. Do subscribe my channel, and you will get more videos in the coming days. Thank you, and thanks for watching, guys. Take care.